Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to take Zandu Ashwagandha, only way. Take 1 tablet with a meal and a glass of water, morning or evening. Consistency matters, so choose the same time each day to build a routine. Expect subtle benefits over several weeks rather than instant changes. If you are pregnant, breastfeeding, or on prescription medicines, consult your healthcare provider before starting this supplement. Choose a time that matches your goals and stick with it daily for best results. Take Zandu Ashwagandha after a meal to ease digestion and improve absorption. If you notice mild drowsiness, move your dose to the evening. Use a simple reminder like a phone alarm to maintain consistency, and track any changes in stress or sleep in a notebook for a few weeks to monitor progress. If you're finding this helpful, please like the video and subscribe for more simple, practical tips. Quick recommendation: I use a set of leak-proof meal prep containers that make sticking to a supplement routine and healthy meals so much easier, and they travel cleanly in a bag. I've linked the product and other deals in the description for anyone interested. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. Follow label directions and avoid doubling doses to catch up after missed ones. Watch for uncommon reactions such as severe stomach pain or allergic symptoms and discontinue immediately. If you are taking thyroid medication or immunosuppressants, get professional advice before starting ashwagandha. Keep supplements out of reach of children and store them in a cool, dry place to preserve potency and safety over time.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.